Okay, so I'm going to take you guys alongside the Endless Summer Resort, which is the Universal, and we stayed at the Dockside Inn and Suites. So I'm going to show you guys around. First, we're going to stop by the pool. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this is. With the palm trees and everything, I'm serious, you guys, this pool is huge. And you know what's cool is it also has a child play area and sand for them to play, but it also has a bar. You see that in the back right there? That's a poolside bar, you know, where you can get some cocktails, beer, frozen drinks, and you know, whatever you like. They have plenty. And that's where we sat back there and right there. Yep. But look how gorgeous. I mean, we were like, woohoo. So, and look at how empty it is too. So we really enjoyed that. This hotel also has a fitness room, a game room, oh, my best thing, a laundry room. Our room was exactly like this. 3 beds, came with a kitchenette and a vanity, and the bathroom separate. Perfect. Okay, so this is the lobby. How gorgeous. I love this. And believe it or not, it actually comes with a Starbucks. And I noticed they open pretty late. I want to say they close like around 10. So it was really nice. So perfect for you, you know, coffee, tea lovers, smoothies. Yeah, and it was really nice. Also here to the left is a Universal Studios store. It has really cute things, and you know, we browsed around and I really enjoyed it, and I like it. It's really convenient. So, and they had a whole bunch of Harry Potter stuff too, so we definitely walked in there. So this is called the Sunset Lounge, and it's gorgeous. We actually had a couple of cocktails in here, and it's really nice. I really enjoyed it if you don't want to go outside, you know, so perfect. See, right there, the whole lounge. Really enjoy it. So let me take you guys into the cafe area here. Okay, I really like this market slash cafe. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we actually had the chicken and waffles. And let me tell you guys, it was so good. I totally forgot to take a picture, but you have to try it. And you know, honestly, all their stuff is priced under like 12 bucks set. So it's really good, and their menu is a variety, and I mean, we really enjoyed it. And yeah, so you must try the chicken and waffles, and I think it was like 8 bucks or something, and it was so big, it was a lot, so it became very convenient for us. Check out this Coliseum of Comics. Okay, check out this big Iron Man, like, OMG Jesus. I don't even know what the price was. And they have so much figurines, it's like so awesome. I mean, look at it. We liked all of it. I mean, look at it, it's just so much. And there was some very rare ones that we've never seen in our hometown. Okay, so this right here was like my husband's la la land. He collects action figures, and let me tell you, we were in here for a hot minute because, I mean, I honestly enjoyed it. I mean, look at all the stuff and all the comic books of galore. It is insane. I feel like they own every one of them. Look at this. It's a ton. How cool are these Thor action figures? Oh my gosh, they're done so well. Spider-Man, awesome. Okay, so we actually went with this Annabelle action figure right here. I wouldn't say action figure. What is it? Figurine? Well, anyways, we bought it, took it home. But look, we really enjoyed this spot. So check it out.